Hey everybody, it's Max Folkers with Remax Pacific here in San Diego. Welcome always to our video, as always, to our video blog. I appreciate you tuning in. Changing our format up a little bit. Going to put videos out a little bit more frequently, keep them a little bit shorter so that in this era of COVID we can get you the best and most timely information possible. Along those lines, I wanted to just reach out and kind of share with you what we're seeing today in the real estate market. It's really a tale of two cities. On the one hand, you've got a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, a lot of transactions being canceled. On the other hand, we've still got really low inventory. Interest rates are still low. And so a lot of buyers are taking this opportunity and saying, hey, all right, I don't have to compete with 10 people. I only have to compete with 3. Hey, this is our time. Let's get into the market. It's changing how we're doing business on a day-to-day basis. Gone are open houses. We're focusing a lot more on 3D virtual tours, on walkthrough videos, Facebook Live, anything to get the word out, get that exposure. And again, people still need to sell, people still need to buy, and we're evolving to do the best we can. If you've got any questions or concerns about the real estate market, or for that matter, just want to chat, hey, please reach out. We're here from you. We're here for you, and we'd love to hear from you. Again, stay in touch, stay safe, reach out to the ones you love. Now more than ever, it's important to stay in touch, stay in contact. If there's anything we can do, real estate related or not, we're here for you. All right, thanks so much for watching and look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.